myself, lay it down.
Are you short on cash but big on needs?
Do you see other people living the good life and wish you could be like that?
Are you a sad donkey with no life, no money, no friends, no love, no pets, no hope?
Well, that's a bit hardcore.
Chill, don't sound crazy.
Sorry, got carried away.
Do you want to live large without having to spend large?
Then you've come to the right place. We are going to show you a few ways you can live it up on a sensible budget.
With our tips, you'll be less of a donkey with a life, some money, some friends, some love, some pets, some hope. Okay, so we're gonna make a few things with items that you can easily find around your house.
So I will be making ripped jeans, aka distressed jeans today.
And I will be making a customizable mini pouch.
And I'll be making a reed diffuser.
You know, I've seen this, like what you're making, I've seen it in like Haji Lane, and they were selling it like these old school candy snack thing. I saw it selling for like about 15, 20 bucks. So if you can actually like make it from this, that would be very impressive.
I had 3 pairs of ripped jeans, and one day I wore it and they were not ripped anymore because my mom sewed up all the holes.
Oh,
For real, for real.
so cute.
For real. Yeah. So, Sophia, you said you have a reed diffuser.
I had one before, but like...
And how much did you pay for it?
Close to 40 bucks actually.
40 bucks?
Yeah.
This is all you need. Look at this.
Quite expensive.
So all you need is some regular twigs. You bake them at like 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes until they're crisp and brown, like me.
Usually I would buy things, but I guess in this case, if you make a really good reed diffuser,
You pay me 40 bucks?
you might just convince me to actually want to make one.
Let me do a test on you guys while you guys carry on working.
What?
B. Don't tell me your answer yet. A. And B. Okay, now on 3, both of you say your choice. 1, 2, 3.
A.
Oh! I'm going for B.
Oh. B.
I'll go for A. I'll go for A. Problem is, I don't remember which is A or B. So, I'm just gonna go for a little bit of both. Find a bottle, and then just like put a...
What if it ends up like smelling like crap?
Or like too strong.
But,
Yeah, because
Rachel,
you mix the two, you don't know, it smells good individually, but you don't know if it
Rachel,
smells good together.
Isn't that
Exactly.
reflection of society? You got different people. If it comes together, whatever the people smell like, you need to accept it lah.
Oh my god.
See? You can learn lessons in life by doing your own projects.
Oh no. What happened?
Look what I did to my jeans. Hello. Now you see me, now you don't.
No, Sophia, I'm going to help you out. I have
As
the perfect
creative
solution.
as you want. Okay, how's
See?
your pouch doing?
Okay, look at this. If you want to be fashionable and all that, you see it works. And if suddenly your knee is itchy, boom!
Oh my goodness!
See, I
I
showed
think
you.
it's going to save my jeans.
Exactly. You know, like a reed diffuser, you know, at home, you're alone, you like just look at the reed diffuser, nothing else to do, right? And you know, like a big part of being human is eye contact, right? Boom! Huh? Look, what you gotta do after the thing soaks through the twigs is just flip it. There, reed diffuser. First, I win.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I got my zip pouch to open it. Put stuff in it.
I think I'm
Tape
sort of
in
done.
it.
In fact, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it here. Look, reed diffuser wherever I go.
Wow.
Huh? Look at that, Sophia.
Yeah.
You wanna smell my reed
No,
diffuser?
thank you.
Look at that, just smell it.
Please go.
Smell it.
Please go away. Go away. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There are so many DIY options out there. You know, it really depends on what you want to make and personalize. And yeah, you know, honestly, if Harish can DIY, anybody can.
So I really encourage people, before you buy something expensive from a store, think to yourself, is it easy to make? Can I go online and search for an easy tutorial? If you can make it, because it's so satisfying, you save a lot of money. You know, you don't have to buy new things to have new things.